Good morning. Here is Category 5 Hurricane Melissa, due south of Jamaica. Jamaica is right here. There is the eye of this Category 5 major monster hurricane. It's still drifting west, but it's going to turn north and start heading right towards this part of Jamaica. So eastern Jamaica may get spared the worst, but we'll have to see. But right now, winds 165 miles per hour, gusting to 210 miles per hour around the eye wall. This is the eye wall. That's the sun shining on the eye wall this morning. So as we take a look at the track, this is the forecast track. Category 5 hurricane this morning by noon, 165 mile per hour sustained winds with gusts 210 miles per hour. And you can see our forecast is for the hurricane to be a Category 5 as it approaches tomorrow morning, crosses the western part of Jamaica, across Cuba as a major hurricane, and then out over the Atlantic Ocean. So you can see there, that is the forecast track, and it's going to go over some of these Bahama Islands, so as a Category 2 hurricane. But right now it is a Category 5 hurricane, as you can see there. And once again, there it is, Hurricane Melissa, devastating. So very interesting storm to track, that is for sure. All right, so I'm meteorologist Gary Lezak. This storm is going to cross Jamaica tomorrow. It's going to move fairly quickly tomorrow as it crosses Jamaica, but it's going to cause devastation. There's another storm that's going to kick this out. I want to show that to you. Let's go back to this full screen here, and you can see, again, there is the storm, but let's call up another map. I want to show you what's coming in. Watch this. Go to the GFS model and the United States. Watch what happens. Okay, watch this. Here comes this energy across the Pacific Northwest. It dives in, forms into a storm over southern Missouri and Arkansas, and here's the hurricane. Look how it picks up the hurricane and whips it out to sea. So there it goes. This storm that's going to form over Missouri is going to whip that hurricane. There it goes. There it goes. Go to another range here. You see, here is the big storm. And a hurricane is just a weak little disturbance as it goes around these big features. So that's the overall weather pattern. This is also going to bring some rain to Kansas City. So we'll see how that goes. So that's the overall weather pattern. Have a great day. Let me know if you have any questions. Go to weather2020.com. You can get the global predictor. Get the weather forecast anywhere in the world. Here's how you do that real quick. Again, let's take a look at this. Here is that hurricane. Let's go to Weather 2020. If you go to weather2020.com or go to your app store, you click on Global Predictor, and then you can start your free trial, all right? But I already have it. So if you already have the Global Predictor Pro, you get the forecast anywhere in the world. I just log in, put in your login credentials, and here is your all kinds of products that we have for forecasting the next 6 months ahead. And on the Global Predictor, let's say you want to know what's going to happen in South Florida. Is there going to be a hurricane? You just go to November, December, and you get your forecast all the way through next April 25th right now. My birthday, it's going to be 73 degrees in Miami. And in Kansas City, it's going to be 74 degrees on my birthday. And if you want to go pick a destination where you're going to go travel, let's say you're going to Italy or France, you just go into Paris, click on Paris, and you can toggle the switch to go to degrees centigrade or Celsius or degrees Fahrenheit. You had a high temperatures forecast for highs, lows, snow, and rain. I bet you it snows in Paris. Let's see. Snow in January? Nope, no snow. Let's go over to Switzerland. And snow. Look at all the days with snow in Switzerland. And how many of those are significant? You can see there 4th, 5th, and 6th. That's significant precipitation, and that's all snow. So pretty interesting. Anywhere in the world, Global Predictor Pro. Pretty interesting. So there you go. Go to weather2020.com for that. I'm meteorologist Gary Lezak, analyzing this weather data. Have a great day.